everyone and welcome to SAM Data Services. In today's video, I will show you how to activate Focus Auto Typer Pro license. Focus Auto Typer Pro lets you automate typing tasks, saving you time and effort. It can load text from various files, simulate human typing and works even when copy paste is disabled. So let's get started. First, launch Focus Auto Typer Pro. Then enter your email address, and then click on Generate License Request File and save this file into your computer. Then go to SAM Data Services, go to Products and click on Focus Auto Typer Pro. Here you can see there is a button called Buy License. Click on Buy License button. This will take you to the Buy page. Now choose the file that you have saved to your computer and load it. Fill out the rest of the form. Your name, your email address, your country code, your phone number, your company's name, your address, and if you have any message. Now coming to payment, SAM Data Services offers a wide range of payment options. Choose a suitable payment method and click on I agree terms and conditions. Then click on Place Order button. Click on Pay with Razorpay and complete your payment. After successful payment, you will receive your license key through email. Check your email and save the license file to your computer. Then launch Focus Auto Typer Pro. Click on Browse button. Select the file that you have saved through your email. And click on OK button. And that's it. Your Focus Auto Typer Pro license is now activated. Now you can start automating your typing task with ACE. Load your files and let Focus Auto Typer Pro do the work. Get Focus Auto Typer Pro today. The link is in the description. Like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.